Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to be test if an object is an instance of a constructor. So again, they've got this REPL.it. We're doing it in REPL.it. I've set this up. If you want to see how we set this up, go to the first lesson in this curriculum section. We want to use assert instance of or assert not instance of to make the test pass. Okay, so if we look down here, we've already ran all the other ones. So if I run the tests now, we should be able to see what's going on. Yeah, and so I'm pretty confident that we're actually down towards the bottom here, just because we've been doing this for a while. So yeah, here we have our fails. These are going to be the tests that are certainly failing. And yeah, as you can see here, we've gone through most of them. If you're just looking, and this is an important thing with web development, you find your test that's broken, and then you scroll down, you find the information. It says assertion error, assert.fail, and where's that happening? On tests/unit-tests and line 206. And so if we go to 206, okay, cool. That is where we're failing. So it makes sense. And so yeah, here they have my car, airline, plane, and then my car. And then so if we scroll up, we see that they're set here. So first we have a constructor function called car, and then we have a constructor function called plane. And so with those, you can say a new car. So then this is saved as an instance of the car variable. And so they've got my car is saved as that variable. Let's see. I'm just going to do this in Node just real quick so we can see what's happening. So I'm going to Control C to stop the server, and then I can go Node. This is the REPL. So REPL.it, read, evaluate, print, loop. It just makes it so you can do JavaScript right away. And so if we throw car in here, now we have, if we go car, you can see it's a function and it's a constructor. And so if we go, well, let's throw plane in there too while we're at it. And then if we go, this sets a variable of my car equal to a new instance of car. So if we instantiate a new one, if we go my car, now this is actually an object with the class of car. I believe that's the right word, verbiage, and it has the model in it. Okay, and so you could be like mycar.name, and it would be like sup. No, what's it? Billy the sedan, right? And so now my car has an additional parameter on it, even though you're not going to change the constructor. And so that's how that kind of works. And then so here they're doing the plane as well. So airline plane. And so you'll see that that's an object as well. And we could adjust that one too, but that's not important. So what this is saying is my car equal to plane, right? So is my car, and if we go type of, well, okay, we see that it's an object, but if we go my car, we see that it's an instance of car. So it's not plane. So we want to say not instance of, right? So assert not instance of. And then so airplane. Well, the plane, an airline plane is an instance of plane, right? We can see it by here. And so, yeah, we want to say instance of. Oops. Instance of. Okay, cool. And so this is an object. Well, everything is an object. So this means, so the right answer for this one, I would guess, is instance. Okay, now that was weird. Anyways, instance of. Because an airline plane, and I bet my REPL's gone. Yeah, whatever happened there, it made it so the REPL's gone. But anyways, my car.wheels is equal to a string. Well, not instance of where appropriate. Is an instance of string. Okay, well, let's pull my car back down and do it. Again, this canceled out, so I need to go Node in order to get back into Node. If we go car, we can create the constructor variable, and then we set my car equal to that, and then my car.wheels, that's going to be equal to 4. So I'm guess the thing is, well, 4 is an integer, right? So type of number, and so I don't think that my car wheels that we're down here. Dot wheels is a number. Oh, that's type of. my car.wheels is a string. Well, the wheels prints out to be an integer of 4. So I'm going to say not instance of here. Right? My car.wheels. So we create the car here, and then the car is an instance of this guy. So the wheels, well, it's not a string. If it was like this, it'd be a string, right? But because it's just a normal 4, that's a integer, which is not an instance of, an integer is not an instance of string. Cool. So I think that we've got these right. So if I'm going to run the server, that's going to stop my node REPL over here, and it's going to start the server up. And it looks like, well, I just actually saw it really quickly there. Our instance of tests are passing, and our next problem tests are in the next file, actually. So this should be good. Now, the way to finish this is you copy your URL up here, bring it over to this guy, and paste it into there and say you've completed the challenge. And let's see if I got it right. Looks like we did. Okay, cool. And so once again, it's important to have your server running. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.